On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and in this step I'm going to show you how to solder. What you need to have is your warmed up soldering iron. You need some flux in a cup, flux brush, and some solder. I like to use 60/40 solder. It's available from a stained glass store. In fact, all your tools and supplies are available from your local stained glass store. So go check them out. They're there to support you and they will help you out a lot. So anyway, I'm all warmed up. I'm going to take my flux brush. I'm going to put a little drop of flux just on these joints, okay, where the glass comes together. I'm going to put a little bit of solder right there, put the iron, and I'm just going to touch down. And I'm not trying to make this look too pretty right now. If you don't have flux, it's not going to stick. It's going to do some weird stuff. You're going to wonder what's going on. Just reapply some flux, touch base right there. So what you're going to want to do is get all these tacked together. Okay? I don't like to put flux on the whole thing all at once because it gets really messy, and if you get flux on you, not so good. Okay? Flux is nasty, so be careful doing this. Don't forget your safety glasses. Okay? This stuff can kind of spit sometimes. Okay? So from there, you're all tacked. So check it out.